You only need one tool to start making real money online. I'm going to show you how to turn one free AI tool into a $500 a week system, even if you're starting from scratch. The tool we're focusing on today is ChatGPT. This powerful AI can write emails, blog posts, scripts, ad copy, product descriptions, pretty much anything you need. But here's the kicker. We're going to leverage ChatGPT to offer AI-powered services that people are actually willing to pay for. And the best part? You don't need a business, a brand, or even a following to get started. Let's dive into the first step, picking a simple, profitable service. Use ChatGPT to offer beginner-friendly services like email sequences for small businesses, product descriptions for Etsy shops, or social media content packs for realtors or coaches. You can fulfill these requests with about 90% of the work done by ChatGPT, plus just a few light edits to make it personal and polished. Next, we move on to setting up your offer. Head over to platforms like Fiverr, Contra, or Twitter and post your service. Create a gig or a pinned tweet that clearly states your offer. For example, say something like, "Need 7 days of Instagram content written with AI? I'll do it for just $29. Make it straightforward, affordable, and quick to deliver. To make your offer even more appealing, use Canva to create a mock-up of what your content will look like and include that in your post. Now, let's talk about how to start conversations, not sales pitches. Look for content creators, solopreneurs, or Etsy sellers in your niche. Engage with their content by leaving thoughtful comments or sending direct messages that provide value. Avoid the spammy sales tactics. For instance, you might say, "I noticed your store, and I specialize in writing AI-powered product descriptions for shops just like yours. Would you like a free sample?" Just 5 to 10 meaningful conversations each day can lead to 2 or 3 paying clients per week. Now, let's break down how you can realistically make that $500 a week. If you create 3 content packs a week at $50 each, that's $150. Add in 2 email sequences at $75 each, which brings in another $150. And if you write 10 Etsy product descriptions at $20 each, that's an additional $200. When you add it all up, you're looking at a total of $500 a week, all from just one tool and a few hours of focused work each day. In conclusion, you don't need 10 different tools to succeed. You need one powerful tool, a smart offer, and the momentum to keep pushing forward every day. Start now, refine your process later, and take action to grow your income without the guesswork.